Meaning of infancy.
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 Infancy. Infancy refers to the earliest stage of human life, typically lasting from birth until around 2 years old. During this period, individuals are completely dependent on others for their care and well-being, as they lack the ability to survive independently. Infants go through a range of physical, cognitive, and emotional developmental milestones during this time, such as learning to roll over, sit up, and eventually walk and talk. This period is critical for laying the foundation for later growth and development, and experiences during infancy can have lasting effects throughout an individual's lifespan.